Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, the bell icon just below. Give that a click, would be great. As you can see on the menu today, we're doing a stir-fried cabbage, a white cabbage. It's steaming hot. I've just taken that straight from the wok. Really, really simple this is. Vegetarian, vegan, healthy, tasty. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at what we're going to be using for this today. I've got some white cabbage there, which I've shredded nice and thin. We've got some onions sliced, and then additionally I'm adding some carrots and some bell peppers, give it a nice colour. You could be adding some other vegetables if you wanted. Garlic, ginger, fresh chilli if you want, and soy sauce. I'm using a dark soy sauce, you could be using a lighter one if you wanted. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. We're going to add a little bit of black pepper. So we're going to need a wok or a frying pan or something like that, and I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil for this. Now you need this on maximum heat, so you need that nice and hot, and we're going to cook high heat all the way. We're going to start off by dropping in our garlic and our ginger, and I just want to throw them around just for a few seconds to infuse that oil. Now we're going to go in with some onions. And I'm going to add those carrots. So high heat all the way here. Keep stirring. I'll be back in about 2 minutes. Okay, now we're going to add in our cabbage, which kind of, as you can see, makes up about 80 to 90% of this dish. Okay, another 2 minutes stirring all the time. So we're 2 minutes in, and as you can see, some of the cabbage is starting to wilt, some still needs a way to go. I'm now going to add in those bell peppers, optional, bit of fresh red chilli, and let's go for another 2 minutes on this high heat. Now of course you could be thinking about some sesame seeds in there, some sesame seed oil, some green onions, a little bit of five spice, some different vegetables. It's entirely up to you, play around with it. I'm keeping this really nice and simple. Now I'm going to go for my soy sauce. And that's done for me. I like it a little bit crunchy. I'm really happy with that. Off goes the heat. Now you may have noticed I didn't add any salt, and that's because the soy is very salty, so I don't need both, but that's up to you. You might want to adjust that. Really simple, nice and crunchy, stir-fried cabbage. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and more importantly, click that bell icon just below, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.